Today activity verb and action words. First class and second class. Eating. Stop. Drinking. Stop. Hearing. Stop. Smiling. Stop. Sneezing. Stop. Bending. Stop. Walking. Stop. Keeping. Stop. Sit. Stand. Running. Stop. Worry. Worry. Stop. Yawn. Stop. Thinking. Stop. Brushing. Stop. Bathing. Very good, children.